So here we are back in the Jeep. I do have the sprint booster on race mode, setting 9, as you can see. The red light designates the race. And let me tell you, the response through the pedal with this thing in is definitely better. I mean, I'm barely touching the gas and the RPMs are going up pretty high. So definitely a lot more responsive. Big fan. Super easy install. I'd say with the 10-minute waiting to let the ECU cycle and everything shut off, you're looking at 15 minutes tops. But highly recommended. I can't speak for anyone besides this Jeep SRT. It's definitely much more responsive. As you can see, I'm in sport mode with the select track transmission, and then I'm also in, like I said, I'm in the race, and there is a tremendous difference when it comes to the pickup. So highly recommended. Go check out Sprint Booster and purchase yours. Subscribe to my channel. Go check me out on Instagram at NHHSRT. Constantly posting new pictures and videos, but certainly a big upgrade, and it's awesome. So go check it out. Highly worth it, especially for under $300. I definitely recommend this. Hope you all have a nice day.